What's up, Tryharder people? It's your man Omar, and today we're gonna learn how to handstand in only 5 minutes. Are you ready? With the first step, we want to get comfortable putting all our body weight on the arms. So start with your hands on the ground at about shoulder width and bend your elbows just a little bit. Now place your knees outside the elbows and lean slowly forward until your feet get off the floor. Find the balance and keep the position at least for 10 to 15 seconds. For the next part, you're gonna need a wall. In the second step, in fact, you're gonna climb your way up with your feet until you get in a straight and vertical position. Get back down and repeat this movement for at least 4 to 6 times. Take a little rest between each attempt if needed. That's gonna help you strengthen your shoulders and, more importantly, gain confidence. Step number 3 is a little tricky. You're gonna climb up again with your feet, but this time, when you get straight and vertical, I want you to take one foot off the wall and give a little push with the other. That's gonna help you start to understand how to balance your arms, hips and legs all together. Do this 4 to 5 times each leg or pretty much until you get comfortable with this movement. The fourth step is gonna be your bread and butter, and I want you to stick with this until you really lose all your fears about handstand. Climb your way up on the wall once again, and this time when you kick your feet from the wall, I want you to make few steps with your hands on the floor. Always near the wall and ready to set your feet back if needed. Do this exercise at least 5 times or until you are always able to find your balance moving your hands back and forward. Remember to take some rest once in a while to let your blood come back through your body. Okay, the fifth and last step is gonna help you with the starting part of the handstand. Get in front of your beloved wall, but this time with your feet far and hands close. From here, practice your initial push. Sometimes you get a weaker push and sometimes a stronger one. So try to get to the point where you're always able to push yourself enough to get up, and at the same time not enough to lean on the wall. I will say that in a couple of minutes you should be good to go. Now the last thing left to do is put all together and start to handstand. I hope you found this useful and enjoyable. If so, don't forget to like and share this video. Tryharder people, I'll catch you very soon with a new one. See ya!